Hello, this is going to be a short video showing a type of information that can be pulled out of the OS32C DM laser scanner. This sensor can display a number of types of information, from range data to reflectivity data to active zone sets to the reason why the sensor is stopped. Using the demo software, you can actually have additional information that you can display with the sensor as well, from the size of an object, distance to that object, and the reflectivity of that object. And I'll demonstrate each of these. As of right now, I have no objects placed in the field of view of my sensor. The green line up here represents distance to an object. The blue line down here represents the reflectivity in an object. As of right now, there is no object placed in its field of view, and there's no zone violations. If you look down here in the lower corner of the software, it states that the sensor is in run mode in active zone set 1, and it gives the active input, number 1, as well as detection status and a few other information. And if you look over here, this gives the size of an object, reflectivity of an object, and the distance to the object. As of right now, there is no object placed in its field of view. As I place an object in its field of view, you'll note now on the software, this object is displayed right there as a bar graph. And now you'll also see that it gives you the size of the object, the distance to that object, and the reflectivity of that object, as well as the status of the sensor. The sensor now is in stop mode, saying a zone violation and active zone set 1. Because we have this sensor programmed as a zone violation in this area, this sensor has been stopped now. And as you note up here on the screen now, you can also see in the red line here showing that this object is actually violating the zone, and the reflectivity of that object down here. If I was to remove that sensor, now you see that the sensor is back in run mode and active zone set 1 because there's no object in there. These are some of the types of data that we can get out of the sensor, as well as you can get which warning zone is violated, 1, 2, or 3, and with this software you can also select at what range you want to see an object. Right now, this is set up for 8-meter range, so it detects objects up to 8 meters away. This concludes my short video.